Today, Joe and I are going to give you some tips on how to fix common hose leaks. The first tip is when you have your hose attached and you've turned your water on and you notice there's a lot of water coming from this nut right here, this nut right here. That's called your packing nut. So you want to make sure your water is on. Then you're going to take your channel locks and you're going to gently tighten this nut till the water stops leaking. There you go. That's all there is to it. Tip number 2. If you cut your spigot on and you notice that the water is pouring out from the hose connection and the spigot, you want to turn it off, disconnect your hose. Now that we have the hose disconnected, you want to check and make sure that you have a washer. Because if you do not have a washer, then you're going to have a leak. So get a new hose washer, put it inside the hose, then you're going to connect your hose back to the spigot. Then you're going to turn your water hose on. Look, voila, no leaks. Tip number 3. If you walk out and you notice that your spigot is dripping or running and you can't get it to shut off, it could be a sign of high pressure. So be sure and watch our video on how to check your pressure, because having high pressure can cause major problems. But I'm going to show you a really cost-effective way to solve this problem without having to replace your whole spigot. Most people are familiar with a splitter. They also make a single one. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this. This one already has the washer in it. So all we're going to do is screw this onto our spigot. Then we're going to turn this little switch to off. And there you go, no more leaks. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.